Welcome back to another Worldwide Steel Buildings training video. In some locations on your building kit, you may be required to have double purlins or double girts. These are sometimes referred to as back-to-back purlins or girts. The requirement for a double purlin or girt will be identified on your drawings as shown. In this example, double purlins are only required for the first 3 rows of purlins starting at the purlin near the ridge on the roof surface. Once you have identified the purlins or girts required, lay them on a flat surface where the webs are back-to-back. Starting approximately 1 foot from the end of the purlin, attach the 2 members with 2 Tek screws, one near the top flange and the second near the bottom flange. These Tek screws are identified on your truss hardware list. Continue fastening the purlins together every 2 feet on center down the length of the purlin. Once complete, the double purlin is ready to install. When installing the double purlin, the truss's pre-welded clip will fit in between the double purlins as shown. Once the purlin is on the clip, install Tek screws through the purlin and into the clip. Continue installing purlins as necessary until the roof purlin installation is complete. Thanks for choosing Worldwide Steel Buildings. Got questions? Give us a call at 1-800-825-0316 or visit our website at worldwidesteelbuildings.com.